Welcome to Zetar. Our company is located in Shanghai, China. Our main business is injection mold making and injection molding products mass production. This video will show you how heat-staking metal insert is used in injection molding products. Heat-stake threaded inserts are a type of fastener that can be inserted into components to make them stronger. This reduces the complexity of the component and makes it easier to assemble. The use of heat to quickly melt and push metal threaded insert into place is one way that cost savings can be made during manufacturing. If you have heat-stake threaded inserts to make, welcome to consult Zetar.